Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I wanted to give you a few channel updates and my life updates. I have decided to rebrand our channel. Our channel's name will be changing and the content will more or less be the same, but it will be more targeted. So there are a couple of reasons why I decided to change the channel name. Earnest Lifestyle is the name which I absolutely loved from the very beginning, but for some reason I had added two Y's into the lifestyle, and while searching and in the search results it did not really give a very good user experience. Also, now since my channel will be about more targeted and mindful and intentional living, I thought it would be better if I kept the name some that resonated with the channel content. So that was another reason. And next news is that I am launching my own website as well for this particular channel, wherein you'll find a lot of blog posts, my products or digital products and online courses and things like that. There will be few free trainings also coming up in the future. There'll also be YouTube training which I already launched a couple of months back and it went really well. I did mentor few of the people from the community and their channel did really well with the changes. The entire course would be on the website. You could request a session with me one-on-one. There will be all the other future products or any announcements or any free goodies which will be there for you guys will all come up in that website. So the website we are creating from scratch on our own, and that's why it's taking a little more time. A fun fact is that I had already purchased the domain name with my current channel, the title, but now I have two domain names of the new channel which the name which I'll be keeping. I have purchased one more domain name. So yeah, there was a little confusion. I did invest some money there, but then I thought for the long run and I decided to go ahead with the fresh channel name. There'll also be a lot of workshops in the future around self-care and dealing with depression and productivity, minimalism and conscious lifestyle, all of those things. There'll be many free blog posts and a lot of sessions which will be absolutely free as well. So keep an eye on the website. I'll let you know when it's launched. So now let me talk about the content that I'll be creating on YouTube, Instagram and my website. So from last 6 to 8 months, I have been focusing on emotionally productive and mindful content. So I will continue almost in the same zone, and I want to build a strong community of all of us together who would believe in intentional and a happier living. So the content will be around emotional health and ways to come out of depression and a stress-free life. So the videos will focus around how we can be better version of ourselves, be it emotionally, physically, financially, and at the same time be in harmony with the nature and coexist with our planet. So that's the plan. The content will be around all of these things. So I aim to create videos that will help us live more productive and intentional life. There will be videos around decluttering or minimizing the space, how you can be emotionally strong and stress-free and at the same time be productive. So now coming to the life updates. Well, I've always been on the lookout to find ways in which I can earn a living, because after I resigned from my job, I really wanted to do something or the other. I did a small job in around a couple of months back in December and January. Also, it was the same time when I really slipped deep into depression and I was taking professional help. I'm still taking, but yeah, that was a very uncertain, unhappy moment for me, and so I decided to stop it at that point of time. Now again I'm working around and through certain things, and if things go well, I'll again have to give 6 hours of my day to a particular job which I'll be doing, and post that I'll have to make videos for you guys. And yeah, so that is one thing. So yeah, along with everything, all the house chores and my baby's responsibilities, let's see how things go. I'll definitely be documenting and sharing my journey, if all of it goes well or if it doesn't go well, all the small wins or the success and the failures, so that you all will be able to pick up something from it and how you can be productive in your own lives and manage your side hustles and your day jobs and things like that. So yeah, in order to rebrand my channel and work things through this entire phase, and to make my website up and running, decide the content and everything, I have decided to take a break of around 2 weeks, if not more. In those 2 weeks, I'll be trying my best to make the website up and running, and rebrand the channel, rebrand my Instagram and all of those things, my channel art, and there is a lot of thing that goes behind the scenes to do all of it. And I'll also be trying to work out my other job which I'm planning to do. So yeah, all of that will be coming out soon. So yeah, that's about my personal life updates, major personal life updates. And I'm really thankful to you guys for always being there to support me and coming this far with me. I really want to build a strong community of positive and like-minded people, and I'm really happy that you're already part of this journey and you're supporting me. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all your support. Well, if you've not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and definitely press the bell icon that you see next to the subscribe button. If only you press the bell icon, you'll get the notifications of all the videos that I upload in the future. And all of those videos will be very mindful and intentional, and they'll hopefully help you a lot. And a lot of home tour videos will also come, which will be about setting up a place with a minimal decor, or in a low waste and a minimal lifestyle choice ways. So yeah, please do press the bell icon, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will see you soon in the next one. Take care and stay happy.